All right, welcome back. Today we have another shipment from StirlingKit. We have been waiting for this one for a little while. It is the B02. So this is the follow-up to the B01, which was an amazing little model engine. That would be this guy. So we are going to pop this open. We have been waiting for this one for a while. Obviously, this has been one incredible model. This is the follow-up to it. So let's open it up. Obviously, this is courtesy of StirlingKit. We can't thank them enough for their support. All the great products that they bring. We have first, adjust the carburetor throttle to a lean state. Tighten the nut to the right. Then follow figure 1 and rotate clockwise by half a turn to start the engine. The lower one is just showing us to adjust the speed controller. All right. Typical book. We're gonna skip it. Anxious to get this one underway. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Well, it looks very nice tucked down in that. I'm gonna get, so we have our starting pin, a couple O-rings. Whoa, we have a contact, a pull cord, and pull it straight out. There we go. Amazing looking little model. It is beautiful. Valves feel great. Wow, it's got nice compression. We are not gonna waste any time. I am just ready to run this thing. I don't know, I feel like I've waited 2 months for it. Everybody else has already gotten theirs. So I don't think we need to go over it a whole lot. We're gonna pull it out. Stick our battery in it. Put our lid back on. I'm gonna flip it over, and you can see. Okay, so that screw is definitely turned all the way. I couldn't get my finger on it too well, but let's just say we got that needle open a little bit. I'm not quite sure if it's a half a turn. We're going to go ahead and all right. We won't waste any more time. We are going to grab the oiler, get to it. If it needs any choke, okay, that was something. Get that a little more open. That's my goal. Too much? Wow. That is impressive. Uh-oh. Maybe I oiled it. Oh. Maybe I oiled it up too much, or my screw came loose. What happened? That is very impressive for the 4 minutes I have messed with this. Lukenheimer styled mixer underneath there. Just an amazing running little engine. Cannot believe it. Alright, if you're interested in getting one, please check out StirlingKit. They obviously have the best models around. And of course you can get a discount by using the code you can see here or in the comments. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. Will Smith Hit and Miss, and please support StirlingKit.